Question. The term is used to write off the value of leasehold properties. Options. Option A, amortization. Option B, depreciation. Option C, obsolescence. Option D, depression. Answer. Option B, depreciation. Ram sends 50 table fan to Rahim, costing rupees 300 per table fan, to be sold at 20% above cost price. Sales will be option A 18,000, option B 15,000, option C 20,000, option D 22,000. Answer. Option A 18,000. Question. Acid test is same as options turnover test, quick test, liquid test, none of the above. Answer. Option B, quick test. Deferred cost is a options capital, liability, asset, none of these. Answer. Option C, asset. Next question. The sale of a business asset on credit is recorded in options A, sales journal, option B, general journal, option C, cash receipt journal, option D, none of these. Answer. Option B, general journal. Marshalling of balance sheet means option A, the totaling of its assets and liabilities, option B, excess of assets over liabilities, option C, the order in which assets and liabilities are shown, option D, none of these. Answer. Option C, the order in which assets and liabilities are shown. Error due to wrong allocation as expenditure between capital and revenue is regarded as options A, error of omission, option B, compensation error, option C, error of commission, option D, error of principle. Answer. Option D, error of principle. Question. The main object of an audit is option A, expression of opinion, option B, detection and prevention of fraud and error, option C, both A and B, option D, to verify the amount and to report whether accounts have been drawn properly. Answer. Option D, to verify the amount and to report whether accounts have been drawn properly. Next question. A sale of rupees 50,000 to A was ended as a sales to B. This is an example of options A, error of omission, option B, error of commission, option C, compensating error, option D, error of principle. Answer. Option B, error of commission. Auditing standards differ from audit procedure related to option audit assumptions, option B, acts to be performed, option C, quality criterion, option D, methods of work. Answer. Option B, acts to be performed.